to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to do a quick review of the Pro Breeze humidifier. I've been having dry throat in the night, so I researched it and I saw that humidifiers are quite good in keeping the room moist. They have the large sizes, but the review I got from Amazon, I was able to select this one and I think it's quite very good. I've had it now, like you see, it's no longer in the box. I just thought I've used it for a little while. Let me give it a quick review. I've had it for about 6 months now, and it's made by Pro Breeze. You can get this from Amazon, and I think I paid about probably less than £50 for it. It comes apart very quickly. That's the tip. You take it apart and then you fill it with water, maybe once or twice. That's one of the disadvantages. If you got the bigger one, maybe the water will last longer because you need the water to become steam. So you have this, you pick that off from the base, and then you have the filter. So you open this up, and this is where you have the filter go. So if I put this down, this is the filters. You replace this from time to time. I think about 3 months, depends on how long you want to change it. But then you pop that in. So this is where you fill the water up I do mine once or twice every 2 days really, but you can do it if you're using. I use it just during the night. If you are using it all day long, then you probably need to fill the water up daily. So you just remove that cap, put it on in a tap, fill it up with water, and then place it at the base. And to clean it also, you clean it once a week, and it's recommended because it normally gets mold. So it's recommended that you soak it with bleach for about 20 minutes once a week to remove all the black mold from it. And then once you fill it with water, you cover it. This hole is where the steam comes from. I'll show you in a minute. And then you direct it maybe away from wall, so you don't steam up your wall, towards a door, maybe directly not to you when you're sleeping, so you don't get too much cold or the steam coming directly at you. It has also a clever thing that I have on the side here. You can see here you can put things like maybe essential oil. I usually use eucalyptus oil, and the smell of it calms down the throat and make you sleep better. It's really lovely. You can use any essential oil, but the ones I've tried that I've enjoyed is the eucalyptus oil. I will show you that also in a minute. I need to plug this now so you can see how this works. This one is the spare. I bought some replacement filters. So the filter goes into the one I showed you before. The replacement comes in about 3, and it has the instruction manual to show you how to set it up and how to have it cleaned once a week. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So I'm going to plug it. I have the cable here, so just stand up quickly to have it plugged. And then you have the turn on button. Can you see? I don't know if you can see this thing coming out, and this is what you get all night. It's really nice and it's peaceful. You sleep like a baby. I've had to get one of these, for my bedroom and for my daughter's bedroom as well. And this is the oil that I use. Is 101 Nigerians. It's an eucalyptus blue gum, it's called, and the number is 101. I think it comes in different numbers, because I got one that I had to return. It was like a lemon kind of flavor, and the smell was really bad, so I had to take it back to buy the 101, which is really good. So you pull it out, and then you open the bottle of the eucalyptus oil and put a few drops. It's really nice. It's really lovely. It makes your room smell wonderful. And then you plug it back at the bottom at the base of it, and that's That's, you can use any essential oil of your choice, but I've used that. You can see it bubbling away. You can see it bubbling away there, and the steam. Ah, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. This keeps you calm. I'm sure it will be so lovely in a baby's room as well. But I use it for myself. I'm over 50 now, so I'm treating myself well, making sure I sleep easy. And like the name says, it's Pro Breeze. Really beautiful. Really beautiful. I hope to see you again next time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.